So here's what I would do if I had my last $100 or 39, but you get the point. So I'm making this video because I always get emails from you guys asking me, Yvonne, I have my last $100 saved in my bank account. I'm retired, or I just lost my job. I have a few $100s. What do I do? How do I make money with affiliate marketing? And I have to make this video to tell you guys that you can't. Do not do affiliate marketing with your last hundred or few $100s. So in this video, I want to go over the 3 things I would do if I had my last $100 so that you guys could follow the guidelines and not lose money and not fall to the scam and to this false belief that you could turn your last $100 into tens or hundreds of thousands or millions, as some of you might think, with affiliate and online marketing. So here's what I would do. Think number 1 that I would do if I had my last $100 is get a job or 2. You need a steady stream of income to sustain yourself while you build your business, or if you choose to do affiliate marketing while you do that, you need money. So first thing you have to do is you must get a job or several. So ask your friends if they have any jobs for you. Search around everywhere you can. It is very, very crucial. You cannot go without it. You can't sustain yourself unless you have money. So that's thing number 1. Thing number 2 is to learn a skill. Now, a lot of you guys already have some skill, something that you guys are really good at, and you can certainly use that. You can certainly utilize that. But if you don't have a skill, you can always learn it. There are so many free tutorials available online, and some people say follow your passions. That's where you'll make the money. Some people say that's a myth. Don't follow your passions. Just do what you're good at. And the truth is, if you follow your passions, you definitely have an edge over somebody who doesn't, because you have that natural intuition that the person who doesn't have that passion and that intuition will have. So you will have that advantage. So for example, I have a friend who is studying mathematics and studying accounting, and she loves art. She loves to draw. She loves to do things on the computer related to art, creativity, and she's studying accounting. And as I was showing her some graphs and some creatives of my new app, she gave me some better versions. She gave me some opinions, and her versions were amazing, just phenomenal. I said, holy, why are you studying math when you should be studying design and working on that? You are so good. And she told me because her parents always told her not to focus on art because it brings no money. That's what she told me. So that's why her parents kind of pushed her into math and accounting and all that stuff so that she could make money. And that concept, guys, is so outdated. The concept of focus on your weaknesses so that you can be a better, well-rounded person. That concept is so outdated now. I don't know what else to say. Right now, there are so many possibilities, guys, with online. If you're good at music, you no longer, as back in the day, need to have a big, successful band to make money. You can now post your music on YouTube. If you're a creator, if you have art skills, you can turn that into online, creative design, graphic design, UX, user interface, user usability, user experience, all that stuff, right? So no matter what your skill is, guys, no matter what your talent is, you can make money with it, no matter what it is. If you're a creative, Adobe Photoshop, video editing, any of that stuff, graphic design. If you're more logical, you have programming, you have data analysis, you have Excel, Word mastery, all that stuff. If you're more kinesthetic with arms, you can learn carpentry, mechanics, electronics, anything like that, guys. Everything is available now. You can make lots of money with anything. So don't focus on your weaknesses, focus on your strengths, because if you have something that you're really good at, something you're passionate about, you have that natural intuition that is a huge advantage for you. Okay, so step 2, what I would do here is I would invest in myself to learn something that I really like, something that I'm good at. So I gave you the examples, or as with my friend, she's talented in art. She never studied it, but she just gets it. She just knows what colors go well, what fonts you should have. She just knows. So I told her, go study that. If not in school, go on YouTube. There are so many free tutorials about anything related to that. About Photoshop, again, about Adobe Illustrator, about Adobe, what are those programs that help you edit? Adobe Premiere, right? Anything like that. Learn that, master it. That's a skill that you can sell because you have a natural tuition. So the second thing I would do is I would invest in myself and learn whatever I'm good at. So I challenge you guys, go to ChatGPT and type in whatever you like, whatever you naturally really enjoy into ChatGPT, whatever you're good at. I, for example, ever since I was a kid, I loved puzzles. I loved Legos. I loved building. And now that translates into me building an app. And always just my whole life, I've been creating or building something, from a chess club to a company that I made long ago that didn't go well, to selling my courses now to finally creating my app. So my whole life I've been building, right? So my love for building Legos and puzzles when I was a kid has translated into this. My love for building, my love for creating, my love for managing a big group of people to build something big, in this case, an app. So I challenge you guys to do the same. Go to ChatGPT and write whatever it is you guys are really good at, whatever you love doing, and see what they say. Say, I love doing this and I'm really good at this. What are some possible jobs I can do? What are some things that could help people? And ChatGPT is going to give you so many options, guys. Definitely take advantage of that. That's the second thing I would do. Invest via either the YouTube free courses or go on Udemy. There's courses for $5, $10, super cheap, about anything that you can learn. Invest in yourself, because you are going to be your greatest asset. Step number 3, this is where we're finally getting closer to affiliate marketing, is I would build a website. I would create social media around the services and the skills that I just developed. Unless you already had them, then you skip straight to number 3. But let's suppose, again, using this Photoshop design example, I learned Photoshop. I'm a master of creatives, master of creating images, illustrations, carousels, videos, whatever. Now I'm going to make a website calling myself a professional editor, a professional designer, and saying, hey, I can offer you professional design skills. Just let me know. So you would build a website using what I show in some of my other videos. You can use WordPress, whatever you want, really. It doesn't matter. Just make a website, right? Get it out there and start putting out content. Take 15, 20 minutes a day, putting out content, writing out blog posts, saying exactly how to be creative or giving tips or advice or whatever. Just building your site, right? Building your brand. Build your brand, guys. I don't recommend affiliate marketing because A, you're milking somebody else's cow when you should be milking your own. And 2, it's super volatile, super inconsistent, super unreliable. It's just not the way to go anymore. I'm really against affiliate marketing now, unless it feeds into your main business. So in this case, if you are this expert, this designer, then you can find products that are related to that. So for example, you could be an affiliate for Photoshop, for Adobe products, and you can have links to that on your website and you can promote it that way. So that I'm still strongly an agent for in terms of affiliate marketing. But in terms of finding random products and promoting them on Google and Facebook, as I have been doing at the start of my journey, hey, I had to do it to be able to tell you guys that that's not the way to go. That's not the long-term form of success. That's you working for somebody else, literally. Affiliate marketing is you still working for somebody else, unless you implement it strategically by first having your business, and then you having affiliate marketing. It's not a business model. It should be a tool, right? So the way I was doing it at first is affiliate marketing was my business model. I was saying, I'm an affiliate. I'm a successful affiliate. As a lot of the times you see online with these successful affiliates, you see their lifestyle, but you know the truth. Look at all the successful affiliates. They're not just affiliates. They're all business owners. And they use affiliate marketing as part of their business because they're using affiliate marketing as a tool, not as a business model. And so with this 3-step strategy, you guys will find long-term sustainable success that also will bring you so much more money than just affiliate marketing. Because after you create this website based on the skills that you develop, you guys are also going to bring your own affiliates. So you guys are going to have the whole cow and people are going to be working for you. Make sense? So these are my 3 steps, guys. Please don't buy somebody's course for your last $100. It's never worth it. There's tons of information for free online and you guys should take advantage of it. Build a skill, make your own money machine. Do not promote others' money machines. Stop being a slave to those other people. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Open some eyes. I'm not going to say anything else because I want to keep the focus of this video to that, but I will see you guys in the next video.